I'm a dad, and I'm voting yes on Prop 664. Prop 664 will fund the development of a new Great Wall along the entire U.S.-Mexican border. It worked for the Roman Empire, Imperial China, and East Germany. Isn't it time this great nation had a wall too? And Prop 664 does this without raising taxes. Prop 664 places a burrito tax on illegal aliens and makes it illegal to pass the cost on to us, white citizens. And another provision makes it illegal to rent to illegals. Tough but fair. Together, we can promote a healthy and legal immigration trend in California. But Prop 664 doesn't stop there. It'll implement a forced sterilization program, thereby preventing illegals that enter the U.S. and proceed to give birth or marry a citizen, thereby preventing a scourge of economic competitors in the coming years. For the security of our families and the future of our nation, we need a wall to secure our border for all posterity. That's why these interest groups support Prop 664.
Paid for by citizens opposed to the realities of human rights or global economics.